right here. I feel it, man. I can feel it. I can feel it. I can feel it.
Got him. Got him. I got you, buddy. Yeah, I fucking knew it, dude. I am made for this fishing shit.
Out here at Wildcat Lake, kind of give you a little view. I don't come out here too much. I know there's big fish in here. I always kind of get tiny ones, but kind of see what happens here. Check it out. It's nice and calm on this side. I think I'm gonna fish over here in this area. Maybe probably do some. Probably throw the fly rod a little bit, and then yeah, got a couple bozos over there, drunk motherfuckers. But anyways, yeah, stay tuned. Here we go. All right, I'm gonna be throwing this guy. I have no idea what he is, but there's lots of trout out here, so I'm gonna start off throwing the fly rod a little bit, see what happens. Do a little trolling too at the same time. Kind of pop it around a little bit. See what happens. See if I can't pick me something up here. So I originally rigged all my rods up for Horseshoe Lake. Unfortunately, it's got E. coli in it, so it's not gonna be happening. Ever since I got skunked out here last time, I didn't get skunked. I got nothing but small little bass, and I know there's big ones in there. I've seen it, but I just haven't come back. So I figured today is the perfect opportunity to come back and do that. So let's do some bass fishing. I think it's about almost 6:30. So here we go. Got one right here. Yeah, buddy. He's a little one. Yep, that's what they're eating on. Oh, got him. Got him. Got him. Okay. All right. Got this motherfucker. Got your ass, buddy. Gotcha. 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 Mm-hmm. Hey, you gotta watch them treble hooks, man. There we go. He just smoked that topwater. He just smoked this guy. Little mystery tackle box. They're starting to feed now. This is why I'm out here. Let's catch him again. Got him. Got him. You just couldn't resist that shit, could you? That's probably a pound. Chunky guy. Don't fucking take my... Don't do it. Don't do it. There we go. Got the trout hitting behind us. Oh, got another one. Come on. He's a little fucker too. Dude, this prank is the shit. They're fucking dinks out here though. I don't think I've ever caught anything over 1.5 pounds. Oh shit, got him. Gotcha. Fucking tiny. Is that all there is in here? Is small ones? Jeez. Feisty little guy. Oh, Let's see. Oh, well, I got you out of there. Got shut up, pickle. You almost got gilled, buddy. Like that. Stop. Stop, pop. Stop, stop. Okay. Right here. I feel it, man. I can feel it. I can feel it. I can feel it. Got him. Got him. I got you, buddy. Yeah. I fucking knew it, dude. I am made for this fishing shit. I mean, I am made for this, buddy. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about. That is what I'm talking about. They're dinks, but it's fish, man. It's fucking fish, dude. It's fucking fish. All right. I love it. You know, that is good. That is just, that's awesome. Yep, she's going down. Well, it's Wednesday. Caught a lot of little fish. Caught some fish. I did it on the mystery tackle box. I mean, mystery tackle box keeps coming through. There's lures that I would never purchase, ever. I never even think about it. But when I get the box, I'm like, you know what, let's throw it. And it works, so. Mystery tackle box. Anyways, this is where I bail. Got a little jot to the ramp way over there. So I'll probably be there in a few minutes. Gonna turn the motor on it, run the motor in, I don't know, 2 weeks maybe. So gotta get it going. I'm gonna sell the boat here pretty soon. I'm gonna be getting my new bass tracker here at the end of the month. So maybe middle of September. They keep telling me different shit. It's kind of pissing me off, but it is what it is. So I'll get it eventually. But anyways, hope you liked the video, and stay tuned. Only getting better.